दिस इज आर्किटेक्ट अरुण here with yet another video and इस वीडियो में हम देखने जा रहे हैं 24/50 का एक रेसिडेंस जो हमने बनाया था इन शाहजहाँपुर बेंगलुरु. दिस हैज़ बीन मेड अंडर द कॉस्ट ऑफ 2450 rupees per square feet and this design is a whole design completely done by us in Arki 99 Consultants and please do watch the video till the end. Throughout the walkthrough I have tried to explain all the details and please do subscribe down there for more videos like this. Hi guys, this is Architect Arunabh here in Sarjapur, Bangalore, and this is a project that has been done by Arki 99 Consultants. This has been done in an overall span of 12 months, and the overall construction, each detailing from the gate till the final touches, everything has been done by us. So as you can see the facade here, it is a stone facade that has been used. The whole team of Anarchy 99 consultants have been working dedicatedly day and night in order to complete that. As you can see, this is the garage portion of the area. This is where the car is to be parked, and this is for the open parking of the car, and the front of that is a gate that is to the garage. This is the garage parking is inside. This is the small landscape that is there. So there has been elements that we wanted to incorporate into this house, but we tried to keep it simple. Differences between the colors, natural colors of white and green, and the features of stone, so everything comes together and comes to become wholesome design. This is the main gate, and to the upside, as you can see, there's a spotlight over it, and this is how the spotlights have been placed all together. So this is the window, this is the corner window that has been featured in this design, and a balcony, glass balcony that has been provided. This is the gate to the entrance of the garage, and as you can see, the facade has the stones in it that has been used, and these are the lights that give the element a beautiful feel. All the edges have been curved out in such a way that the designs are an exquisite to the particular client. This is the main door. This is the wholesome wooden door made of sangwan. That is the teak, and as you can see, it is very sturdy. As we move in, we see the whole. This is the hall over here. This is a not this is just a receiving part. So the client wanted was a partition in between, and this is how the false ceiling has been done with the lights that are used Chinese. These are the LED lightings that have been used as a profile all throughout the house. You will be able to see those things, and this is a small chandelier that we have applied. This is the partition there, and there has been a partition of what we kept is we kept an area of 1.5 feet to 2 feet. It actually took 2 feet, and this is the glass partition that we have provided. This is basically a skylight that features into all of our designs, majorly all of our designs, and there's a stone backing that has been used on the wall that we are facing right now. So as you can see, these are the stones that have been used, and this is the gravels to give it an effect. These are the lightings to the wall that has been provided, and as you can see, this is a double story height, and on the upper part there is a beautiful sculpture, and the top of it is the skylight that we have. This is a feature that we try to incorporate in each and every design, so as to have much of the sunlight and less use of artificial lighting. So to the left of it staircase, and to the right of it is the kitchen. This is a small kitchen with a beautiful kitchen garden to the left of it. As you can see, the whole kitchen is modular kitchen, and the stones that have been provided in the back of it, the black stone gives it a beautiful Italian touch, and as you can see, the whole color just brights and brings out the most of the design. The hop top has been used here it's actually covered right now, but the chimney is also installed, pre-installed, and the whole cabinets are a complete set that is executed in a beautiful serene way. To the left of it is the kitchen garden. This is the kitchen garden. It is actually, the sprinklers have been attached to the ground of it, and as you can see there in the ground, just below, beside the stones, this is a stone wall. We actually wanted to keep this area as a private garden space. This is a private backyard that has been a typical design of suburbs of the US. So we try to keep it this in a similar way. To the left of it is a washing station for the big utensils that one has, and this there is a level difference to the whole building. As you can see, this is the hall and how it looks. To the right of it is the bedroom. This is a guest bedroom that has been provided. This is a small guest bedroom, and what we try to do is try to keep it simple, simple texture. The false ceiling have been done in such a way that it is just simple and it looks exquisite. The whole corners, as you can see, the workmanship of our designs are the typical quality that we want to achieve in every design. The sockets, all the conduits have been provided throughout, and thus the electrical work has been completely done. So as you can see, the whole doors that are used are of pure wood, no veneer work, but are totally work of wood, and these give an essence to the design. So as you can see how this internal part looks. This is the partition, and this is how we are going to exit from this. But yeah, so this is how it looks, and the false ceiling is just amazing, and how it turned out to be real pretty. To the left of this, to the right of this is the garage. As you can see, the garage is a huge garage. What we wanted here is we wanted to give this a western touch, as it is in US. This is made for an NRI who has just returned from US, and he wanted it to be precisely how he experienced it in US. So this, as you can see, this is the small washroom that has been provided. This is the powder room just beneath the staircase, and this is a small room just for the use of guests and guests who are there in guest room. A small base for keeping things, small WC. As you can see, these are the branded imported brand that has been used over here. The small beneath the staircase there is storage, and as we go up, these are the wooden stairs. The finishes are pretty amazing of how we used it. This wooden staircase is the typical design that we always try to incorporate into our designs. So as we move up, we have a premium feeling of even if you are bare naked foot, as we move your feet up above, you will feel that texture and the quality of the premium wood that has been used. This is the first floor of the house. We are greeted by a huge living space. This living space has the similar lighting as below, and the false ceiling that has been provided is pretty amazing. It is the similar one that has been used below, and the whole lighting is just beautiful. And this is the sculpture that we have. This has been made by an artisan of Ahmedabad, and this is how when we look at the quality of the workmanship that has been provided and done by us. So this is a beautiful way to incorporate in design. This is the skylight, and the whole theme of the skylight is to have much of sunlight into the house, and much of the area would be lit. So this is how the staircase looks like. The whole railing, as you can see, is a combination of steel and woodwork, and the finishes, as you can see over here, is to the ground, so it is a premium feel. To as we go down, we can see this is the wooden door, and as you can see, it is a beautifully piece that has been installed over here. As we go inside, we are greeted by a room. The whole room sizes are good, and we try to keep the windows as long and wide as possible, so as more of sunlight could come in. And this is where the bed is going to be, and so we try to use much of the spaces. And this is the window, how it has been used. This is a small space that has been provided for the cupboard and other materials that could be fitted into it. And this is a small space by 4 feet by 2 feet depth, and this provides for the whole area, so as the other areas are free of other storage units. This is another room that is provided. As you can see, the whole fittings done by us are pretty amazing, and the false ceiling is exquisite. As you can see, the whole crispiness of the design is being able to be seen here. And these are the all the electrical parts are just embedded into the whole wall. And even the chocolates are of the same material as the door, that is of the Sangwan. And this is a small wash area that has been provided, so as if there's a gathering meeting, both can use just for washing hands and everything. This is a common washroom for the other two units. So this is WC that has been provided. There is this tiles, the matte finish tiles that has been used by Somany. And this is the shower area. And as you can see, the whole design is the beds have been used, and we try to keep it more clear as possible. The Italian finishes of the overall area, it looks just beautiful and serene. The doors are PVC doors, and this door to the master bedroom is a wooden door. This is a sliding door that we have used. As you can see, the crispness of the door, it's quite beautiful. So this is the master bedroom. As we enter into the bedroom, to the right of it is a storage unit. So all the storage materials are out of the line of sight, and so this is where you can store each and everything. There is a small light above it also. The false ceiling has been done in similar way. So this is the small area where our dressing area has been provided. So this is the front part of the window, and the windows are quite large. So is the false ceiling. The false ceiling is pretty much same throughout, so as to complement the theme. So as you can see, this is a beautiful window, the bell-shaped window, and this is where the balcony opens up. So you can go and feel the balcony. This is a small balcony that has been provided, but what serves the purpose is that this whole window here, it in itself is completely beautiful, and it's fun to be here. It's actually fun to be here, and this looks it's quite amazing. So this is the access to the washroom. To the right of it, as you can see, is a small fixed glass window. Now this has been provided in order to have the light, because it was getting too dark in here to the access to the washroom, so we provided that. And as we enter into the master bathroom, So you can see the Italian matte finish has been provided at the bottom, and to the sides Italian finish such as that of Dyna has been used. This is the marble top that has been used for the wash basin, and the branded WCs has been used. This is a glass partition, and as you can see, the quality of finish that we are providing is what we try to give to every client. So this is the shop panel that has been provided. So as you can see, the fittings are of Jaguar, and the overall quality of finish of the washroom is also beautiful. The artificially ventilated windows, and that is the service area that has been provided. So you can just move the lid and service if there's a leakage or electrical wiring problem is there. So you can access the whole of the area. As we go out of the washroom, as you can see, there's a whole lot of lighting there. There's beautiful light that comes throughout the sliding door. As you can see, it slides over the whole wall. This again back to the family lounge. The colors are quite amazing, grayish and the white and the cream color that has been used, along with the profiles of the similar temperature has been used. As you can see, this is the staircase, wooden staircase. It's a fun designing this, and if you want to contact us, please do call us at NRK99 Consultants, 970 9211 050.